Jai Munnavasi. This is a privilege to all of us to come to this Nagpur and march towards RSS headquarters. I take this opportunity to congratulate all my fellow brothers and sisters and all my colleagues, my party members, Bahujan Mukti Party, BAMSEF, Bahujan Mukti Morcha, and all other wings collaborated with BAMSEF. Really, this is a historical day today because as we challenge to the RSS headquarters and Mr. Mohan Bhagwat, RSS chief, the last months we got a permission for the meetings held in Orissa, but it was cancelled with the help of RSS, the BJP government, who misleaded Bahujan Mukti Morcha and BAMSEF. And our annual meetings are held every year in each state. This year it was supposed to be in Orissa, but because of this RSS Mohan Bhagwat, he deceived us. After taking all the permissions from the Orissa government, he has given the authority. He ordered this BJP Orissa government to cancel all the permission given by the state government. And we are encountering RS Mohan Bhagwat. See, this is our reply to you. This is our reaction to your action. We are not going to fear. We are here to fight. We are the Moola Nivasi. We are proud to say that we are Moola Nivasi and we are the children of Dr. B.R. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We are the children of Mahatma Jyoti Phule. We are the children of Chhatrapati Shivaji. We have that spirit. We have that dare. We have that courage to fight against you. And we challenge you that if you have dare, you come to us without EVM. Try to come and fight in the public. And we challenge you, without ballot, you cannot win even one seat. Because today, you go to Telangana state, what happened? You didn't even win few seats in the Panchayat, Gram Panchayat elections. Even in municipality, you don't even have the right to participate over there. And only you are taking just communalism. Only thing, you don't have anything to say. If you have anything in your mind about to develop the country, you come and challenge us. But you don't have anything. You have only communal. I am Hindu. Now what you said? We are not Hindus. Hindus is given by, we are Sindhus. Hindus is given by Eurasian people. See, this is your words. You are again and again, you are changing the words. I am telling you, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Garu, he has, what he has done to the Manusmriti. He teared that Manusmriti and he threw it into fire. He burnt. That is what, we challenge you that, see, who has invented EVM machines? European countries. Are they participating with the EVMs? No. The one who invented EVM machines are not going with the EVM machine elections. They are going with the ballot. How can you? You don't have that. See, as a democracy, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji ne, he has given that right to vote. That is our right. What you are doing in West Bengal, you have taken election commission into your hand and you are cheating the public. You are cheating the country. And what you are looting the votes of the common public. I'm asking you, just show me L.K. Advani's ancestors proofs that he has born in India. L.K. Advani belongs to Pakistan. Then why is he staying in India? No answer for this question. And wantedly, you are misleading the country. You are misleading the country. And you are winning only because EVM. And without EVM, You are not there. No one recognizes you. Okay? If you have dare, come this 2029 elections. Come with the ballot. You come with the ballot, then we will accept. You come from Eurasia. Okay? You come from Eurasia. You are not even 3% people. We are more than 80-90% people. And you want to rule us? We will not give this opportunity to you. As a Bahujan, we have stood against you. So many people were saying, you have the guts to come and attack RSS. Yes, we have the guts. You see now, we are coming. We are marching towards RSS headquarters. We are attacking. If you have dare, you stop us. Jai Bhim, Jai Munawasi.